Russia's tank force is seeing heavy losses. Ukraine's drone army helps to reduce Russia's tank force, one tank at a time, or in this case 2 at a time. With an immobilized or only abandoned T-90M and T-80BVM tank together, representing 2 of Russia's newest and most capable tanks. Ukraine's drone army was set on completely destroying these, with the FPV drone striking the back section of the T-90M tank, penetrating into it, creating an internal fire. With a later clip showing the T-80BVM tank having gotten destroyed, possibly with the ammunition detonating, with smoke still coming from the T-90M, indicating both tanks are completely destroyed, destroying 2 more of Russia's most capable tanks, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.